Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be trying out this Elmer's color changing glue. I bought this in Michael's Arts and Crafts for $10. It's supposed to change from yellow to red with the sun. It's very cloudy today, so I'm going to be using my UV LED light to test out the color change. We're going to be making slime today, and it's going to be a simple recipe using borax. So without further ado, let's just get started. So of course, you will need your Elmer's glue. This one is the 5 ounces, a container to mix your glue. You can use disposable containers or containers that you will not use again for food consumption. So please remember not to reuse it again for food. You will also need 8 ounces of warm water. You can use your tap water. This is 8 ounces, something to mix with. I'm using this disposable spoon, and you will need a teaspoon. And remember, this is not to be used again for food because this is gonna come in contact with the borax. So the borax that I'm going to use is from 20 Mule Team Borax. You can find this in the detergent aisle where you find things for washing your clothes. You will also need paper towels in case you spill anything, and if you like, you can use a cover for your working area. So let's just get to it. So we're going to take our 8 ounces of warm water. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax, and we're going to mix with our spoon until it dissolves. So this is good. We're going to set this aside. We're going to take our container and our glue. We're going to pour this in our container, the whole bottle. You can just unscrew it and just pour. We're going to try and get as much as we can out of the bottle. Whatever's left in the bottle, you can just use it for your projects, to glue paper or whatever you need. So whatever glue you cannot get out of the bottle, you can just put the top back on, and you can just tip it, place it somewhere upside down. So whenever you need to use it, all of the glue will be on the cap and it will be easier to use. I'm going to put my lid back on. I'm going to place it upside down, just like this, somewhere so I can use it. Now for the fun part, we're going to take our borax solution and we're going to pour a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Now we can just stir and you can see it react. That is awesome. The Elmer's glue is non-toxic, so you can mix with your hand. So as you can see, I already added too much borax. This is why you need to add the borax a little bit at a time. I actually was trying to make it seem that everything was normal, but it just got worse. I wasn't going to upload this video, but then I searched ways to fix rubbery slime, and thankfully I was able to fix it in the end, as you will see in the next clip. As you saw previously, I added too much of the borax solution too quickly. I maybe needed just 3 tablespoons of the solution, but thankfully I was able to save it. This is very hot water and it's supposed to make your rubbery slime nice and soft because it warms it up. You see it's still coming out in chunks, but it's actually making it nice and soft like you see here. I bought my lamp in Amazon, but you can find it in any beauty supply store. You can see the color change. That is awesome. Let me take my slime out from the water. So this is our slime. We're gonna take our lamp. Make sure to never ever look directly on the UV lamp. It's not very safe for your eyes. Look at that. How awesome is that? How awesome. Look, that's pretty cool. This is awesome. And if you don't have a UV lamp, you can just use the sun when it's not cloudy, of course. So our slime got a little bit harder now that it's out of the hot water, but we can always just put it in the water when we want to play with it. So awesome. Let me just wipe my table. Let's put this on. Where's my button? Boom. How cool. Color changing slime. So the glue came out probably 2 years ago, but this is the first time that I've seen it in Michael's or in any craft store that I go to. So awesome. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good rest of the week. Whoa.